Inciting incident is a crappy name for a good thing. It sounds like something on a police report, or a geobiological analysis that just sucks the life out of life. Or one more, it sounds like something that is trying way too hard to be interesting. But actually, you almost always need one of these in a script. A story is about somebody trying to do something, and the inciting incident is basically the reason. What makes your story begin? Why are they doing this now? Something must have happened. It can be the arrival of news, good or bad. It can be long awaited or out of the blue. It can be the result of something your main character has done, or random, a chance event that has nothing to do with them. Other than the fact that you need one, there are no rules about inciting incidents. Especially not the placement, where it happens in your script. The idea that there is a particular page number where it ought to happen is just absolute nonsense. Most of the time, it's in the first 20 pages of a feature script or in the first episode of a series, but sometimes you can put the inciting incident before page 1. Something has already happened, but the main character doesn't know that. So we see them finding out, and that really hooks us into the story because we're with them as they're trying to figure out this inciting thing. And in some stories, the revelation of the inciting incident is actually the very last thing that happens. It's possible to hold the inciting incident off for a long time if there's enough relevant, interesting stuff happening. In theory, you could follow unrelated storylines for half or 3/4 of your story, and then when they come together, that's the inciting incident. The point of all this is different stories can have different structures. Okay, I just need to stop here and talk for a minute about the cause of a lot of the bullshit that gets piled up on the inciting incident. It's an attempt to create a universal story formula. In this case, there's a theory that all drama starts with a stable situation which is then disturbed to begin the plot. This rule often leads writers to spend the first part of their story establishing a stable normal. The first part of your story is the crucial time when we are learning to love your main characters and invest in their problems. Scenes that only serve to lay out a stable world are often smotheringly boring. It's like going to a restaurant and watching the staff set up to open. We're there to eat, serve the food right away. This formula of starting from normal also implies that all stories are about trying to get back to the way things were. The stable situation is seen as ideal. Is normal good? Are well-off, attractive, suburban normal? Don't just drop in a corporate focus group tested normal. The first part of your story defines a set of values, or at very least, establishes a set of values to be explored. Establishing normal is a perfectly fine structure, but it's not required. If you're going to do it, make that stable world precious and unique. Give us something specific to treasure when it gets threatened or lost. Or play with the audience's awareness that this normal is doomed. Lay in, during the establishment of normal, troubling elements or the seeds of the story that's on its way. This is what you need to know about inciting incidents. A story is about someone trying to do something. The inciting incident is the specific trigger. How does your story begin? Why is this story happening now? Something must have happened. What that is, when it happens, and how it relates is up to you. Go. All right, that's enough for now. Go write something. If you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what you want to know. And if you want me to work with you on your project one-on-one, go to writingforscreens.com. See ya in the next video. Inciting Beep, 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 beep. No, that's not right. That is incorrect. The point of cause for a sec, for a min, for a seven. Okay. Inciting incident. Did you hear that? What the fuck was that? What was that? Holy crap! A tree just fell down outside.